teacher Algebra.
I am Miles Matias Neves.
I am Jesse Magno, and we will be discussing problem number 1.
You ask a friend to think of a number. Add 2 to the number, square the number, multiply the result by 3, and divide the result by 2. If the result is 96, what is the original number? Let x be the number. A. So, x plus 2, square the number, multiply by 3, then divide the result by 2. This will be used to find 96.
So, with our equation here, with our function here, we will be able to get the inverse function so that we will get the original number of x. So, when we have the function of x, copy this one, x squared plus 2 times 3 all over 2. So, we will get the inverse function. F prime of x, copy x squared plus 2 times 3 over 2. So change the f prime of x to y, copy plus 2 times 3 all over 2. So cross multiply, you will get 2y to x squared plus 2 times 3. Distribute 3, so you will get 3x squared plus 6. Transfer 6, you will get 2y minus 6, 3 is equal to 3x squared. Divide by 3, so you can cancel, you will be able to cancel it, then 3. So, the remaining is the x squared here, and the other side is 2y minus 6 over 3. Square root both sides, we will cancel the square here. X. So x remains equal to the other side is square root of 2y minus 6 all over 3, or square root of 2y over 3 minus 2. So equals to x. Change y to x. You will get square root of 2x over 3 minus 2 is equal to the inverse function of f of x. Now this will be used in getting the original. Using this function, we're going to just copy the function minus 2 because inverse of x. Now substitute the result, which is 96 to x. Equals inverse of x. Multiply 2 by 96, which is equals to 192. Inverse of x. Divide this, which is equals to 64. Copy negative 2 x. So square root of minus 64 minus 2 equals 62. So now that is the value of inverse function of x. Now this is the value of x, or the original number. So this is the function, so we're going to substitute the original number. So square root of 62 squared plus 2 times 3 over 2 equals 96. Cancel the square root and the square. So we're going to have 62 plus 2 times 3 over 2. 6. Add 64 times 3 over 2 equals 96. 64 64 times 3 equals 92. Divide 2 is equals to 96. So 96 equals 96. So that is the answer.
Since the result is 96, therefore, the original number is square root of 62.
Hey guys, I'm Nikal Mali.
I'm Angelo Labrador. I'm Esco.
And today we'll be solving problem number 2. So the question goes this way. You ask a friend to think of a number, add 2 to the number, square the number, multiply the result by 3, and divide the result by 2. If the result is 54, then what is the original number?
Let x be the number. X number. Add the number by 2. Square the number. Multiply the result by 3. And divide the result by 2. So we will use this equation. So we'll get the inverse equation so that we can look for the original number. So the equation given is 3x squared plus 2 over 2. So let's look for the inverse of the equation 3x squared plus 2 over 2. Substitute f prime x 2y. Let's write 3x squared plus 2 divided by 2. Multiply 2 by both sides so that you can remove the denominator. So multiply 2 cancel, 2y equals 3x squared plus 2. Distribute 3 to both numbers. 2y equals 3x squared plus 6. Transfer 6 to the opposite side, so it becomes 2y minus 6 equals 3x squared. Divide the both sides by 3, so you will have x squared. So divided by 3 becomes 2y minus 6 over 3 equals to x squared. Now you square the both sides. Square root to the both sides. It becomes x is equal to positive negative square root 2y minus 6 over 3.
Okay, so now we will use this inverse function to find the original number. f of 1 x equals to plus minus square root of 2y equals 6 over 3. So now we will substitute y by 54 minus 6 over 3 square root. So 54 times 2 is equal to 108 minus 6 over 3 square root. So 108 minus 6 is 102 over 3 square root. Okay, so to get this one, we have to simplify it, and the answer goes to plus minus square root of 34.
So we'll now prove the equation D. The equation was 3x squared plus 2 over 2 must be equal to 54. So let's change the x value with this positive and negative square root 34. So positive negative square root 34 square plus 2 over 2 equal to 54. So cancel the square and the square root. It becomes 3 positive negative 34 plus 2 over 2. So now we'll use this to look for the original number and check the equation if it's correct. So we'll divide the portion into 2, 3 x squared plus 2 over 2 equals 54. Other side the same. 2 equals 54. Now substitute the x value with this. 34 square plus 2 over 2 must be equal to 54. 3 cancel 34 plus 2 over 2 is 54. Next 3 36 over 2 is 54. 108 over 2 is 54. 54 is equal to 54. So as you can see, if you use the value positive square root 34, you can get the same answer So the original number is positive 34. So now let's check for the negative. 3 negative square root 34 square plus 2 over 2 must be equal to 54. Now cancel 3 negative 34 plus 2 over 2 is 54. Now 3 negative 32 over 2 is must be equal to 54. Negative 96 over 2 must be equal to 54. Negative 48 is not equal to 54. So as you can see, only positive square root 34 can be replaced to the value of x, and this is the original number.
Hi, I'm Chanika Mandigas. I'm Kylene Maninin.
And I'm Aaron Picado.
As blood moves through a vein or artery, its velocity is greatest along the central axis and decreases as the distance r from the central axis increases. For an artery with radius 0.5 centimeters, V is given as a function of r by V of r is equal to 4625 minus 18,500 r2.
V of r is equal to 4625 minus 18,500 r cubed. So y is equal to 4625 minus 18,500 r cubed. Transpose this one. So y minus 4625 is equal to negative 18,500 r cubed. Then divide negative 18,500 r cubed to both sides. 1 minus 4 is divided by so we cancel the cube root, which gives us to r equals minus 1 all over 18,500. This is the inverse function.
So for letter B, if the velocity of the movement of the blood is 4,335, what is the radius of the artery? So the equation is this. So we're going to substitute y to 4,335. So it will become 4,335. Then 4,625 minus 4,335 is equals to 290 over 18,500. If you use your calculator, you're going to find this directly. If yun na to rationalize 1,000. Root of 29 times 1,850 over cube root of 1,850 cube root of times 1,850 over 1,850. If you compute this in the calculator, it will become 0.25027. So this is the answer. To check if the answer is correct, to prove, you have 4,335
18,625 minus 18,500. Substitute this, the value 0.2527. So 4625 minus is equal to 290 is equal to 4,335. So this is correct.
If the velocity of the movement of the blood is 50, what is the radius of the artery? Cube root of 4,625 minus 50 over 18,500 equal to cube root of 4,575 over 1,805 equal to